Hi there! It's time for NHK World Japan's Easy Japanese. I'm Eriko Kojima.
And I'm Michael Reese. Let's have fun learning Japanese together. Today, we bring you Lesson 40, Expressing a Reason. Tam, a student from Vietnam, and Mia, a Chinese photographer, were relaxing in the living room of Haru-san house. Just then, the sensors of Haru-san, robot landlady, detected something out of the ordinary.
Listen to the skit for Lesson 40.
Curated. 落ち着いてください。大丈夫ですよ。ほら、もう収まった。初めてだったからびっくりしました。
Haru-san's cheeks flashed light blue as an earthquake shook the ground. Mia felt it.
あ、揺れてる。
Oh, the ground is shaking.
Tam screamed.
地震、助けて！
Earthquake! Help!
Haru-san tried to put her at ease.
落ち着いてください。
Please calm down.
大丈夫ですよ。
It's all right.
The shaking subsided, and Mia said to Tam,
ほら、もう収まった。
See? It's already over.
Feeling relieved, Tam replied,
初めてだったからびっくりしました。
Since it was my first earthquake, I was startled.
Well, I think anyone would be taken back by experiencing an earthquake for the first time.
Even a small jolt can be unnerving for people who come from countries where earthquakes are rare.
Today's key phrase is, since it was my first earthquake, I was startled.
初めてだったからびっくりしました。
If you memorize this pattern, you'll be able to express a reason.
Here's the meaning part by part. 初めてだった means it was my first time. びっくりしました is the polite past tense of the verb びっくりする meaning to be startled. Today's point. To give a reason, use the particle から.
In the skit, Tam explained she was startled by the quake since it was her first time.
That's right. It was my first time is 初めてだった. So add から to say 初めてだったから, meaning since it was my first time.
Okay, so what's the difference between 初めてだった and 初めてでした?
Well, it's the same meaning. 初めてでした is in what's called the polite style, while 初めてだった is known as the plain style. When giving a reason by adding から, the plain style is more natural than the polite style.
And the plain style is...
It's a style that doesn't use des or mas. The past tense of des is でした, and the plain style of that is だった.
Now, listen and repeat.
初めてだったから。初めてだったからびっくりしました。初めてだったからびっくりしました。
Okay, got it? Now, listen to this conversation. A woman is answering a man's question about a Japanese movie she's seen.
その映画、面白かったですか？
話が難しかったからよくわかりませんでした。
Here's the meaning.
その映画、面白かったですか？
Was that movie interesting?
その映画 means that movie, and 面白かった is the past tense of the e adjective 面白い meaning interesting. Adding ですか makes the question more polite.
話が難しかったからよくわかりませんでした。
Since the story was difficult, I didn't understand it well.
話 means story. 難しかった is the past tense of e adjective 難しい difficult. The e adjective becomes the plain style if you don't use this. から is added to indicate the reason. よく means well. わかりませんでした is the past tense of わかりません or I don't understand. The original verb or the dictionary form is わかる meaning to understand.
All right then, listen and repeat.
話が難しかったから。話が難しかったからよくわかりませんでした。話が難しかったからよくわかりませんでした。
Let's practice with some other examples. Imagine you didn't go to the beach today because it rained. Say, since it rained, I didn't go.
Rain is
雨、
and it rained in the plain style is
雨だった。雨だった。
I didn't go is
行きませんでした。行きませんでした。
go ahead.
雨だったから行きませんでした。雨だったから行きませんでした。
Okay, are you catching on? Today's bonus phrase is this line by Tam. Learn it by heart.
助けて means help. It's the te form of the verb 助ける to help. Using the te form by itself expresses a light instruction or an order.
Use the phrase if you ever need to ask for help, whether it's a run-in with a thief or some sickness or injury that you need to be helped with. Now this will get people's attention. Have it ready for emergencies. Now it's your turn. Listen and repeat.
助けて。
Okay, let's listen to the skit one more time.
Ah, 揺れてる。地震、助けて。落ち着いてください。大丈夫ですよ。ほら、もう収まった。初めてだったからびっくりしました。はるさんの知恵袋。
Now it's Haru-san's bag full of advice, and today we'll talk about what to do in an earthquake.
Earthquakes are pretty common in Japan.
Yes, the country is prone to quakes and minor jolts occur all the time.
So, what should we do when one hits?
Well, if you're in a quake-proof building, don't go outside. Instead, find a safe spot inside. If the swaying is too strong that it makes it hard for you to move, wait until the shaking stops and then carefully make your way out. Be sure to protect your head whenever you're outdoors or indoors. Hold a cushion, a book or a bag over your head. And protecting yourself under a table can also be effective. Hold the upper parts of the table's legs. Be on the alert for aftershocks as well. And if you're near the coast, you may also need to be concerned about tsunami. Evacuate to somewhere high as soon as possible.
That's important for everyone to remember. Thanks for tuning in to Easy Japanese.
Come back again next time.